Welcome to Lesson 6. As I told you in the previous lesson, we're going to vectorize our drawing, which is a quite complex task and also tiresome if we want to make it in the most accurate way possible. Although Illustrator offers many tools to ease the process, patience is a must, since we need to modify each node and each point, paying attention to parameters such as the stroke or the width, and deleting elements is also tiresome, since we have to do it one by one. So guys, be patient and let's get started. As you can see, I've already started vectorizing the demon. Remember not to overlap the nodes already created, since the line could disappear. If you've worked with Illustrator previously, you should know that by pressing A, the Direct Selection tool is activated. I employ this tool in those cases I need to remove a particular line or stroke. The pointer changes to white, see? What you see now on the screen is in fast motion. Actually, I spent around an hour or an hour and a half. So just keep vectorizing little by little, step by step, over the drawing we did previously. Okay? Let's say it's like a marker, but much more accurate. So mark those areas you want to emphasize, paying particular attention to details. This is very important. Okay, so you cannot forget important areas. Also, don't forget the wrinkles, which we are going to darken later on. Okay, once the face is done, let's move on to the elements outside it, which are the flowers. There are many of them, so it will slow down the process. That's why we're going to see it in fast motion, and then I'll explain you the following step, okay? So, see you in a moment. Guys, I've already finished up all the details of the composition. First the face and then the flowers. Now I'm going to change the tone slightly in order to differentiate them from the face itself. To add the last details, I've selected the brush tool. You know that you can activate it by pressing B. I've chosen a thin brush to draw the flowers, petals, and add more details to the drawing. It also helps to add volume and create an elegant and clean result. Perhaps, let's say it's similar to a tattoo or maybe it's a print. Okay, the result is elegant. So guys, as you can see, our drawing is much better than before, right? It's improving. But basically, it's all about vectorizing with Illustrator. It's all that. It's just vectorizing and be patient. Again, as I told you before, you can use my drawing of the red ogre in case you don't feel like making a new one, but want to practice with vectors. So this drawing is finished. You can try to add colors if you want. Okay, I'm experimenting with blue, but, I don't like it too much. So I leave it with a neutral tone, which is great for applying to different surfaces. In your case, you know that you can make use of the brush tool that Illustrator offers and make the most of your drawing and add a unique touch. Okay, so as I said, I'm going to leave it like that, and then I'm going to include it in a sort of mock-up afterwards. Okay? So in the next lesson, we'll be adding our drawing to a mock-up afterwards. So I'm going to leave it with this grey tone, and see you in the next lesson. Bye!